This lock is our Eplex E5700 series. We also have a version called the 5600 series. They simply use different types of HID or smart cards. And for this example, what I'm going to simply show is first how you change the 8-digit user or master code in a lock, and then also how to add a 4-digit user pin in the lock. So step one, if we want to verify the lock is in fact in factory mode, and you can do that by entering the code of 1 through 8. You'll see the lock will operate, and without a code it remains in a secure condition. So step one to change the 8-digit code is pretty simple. We're going to change it to another 8-digit number, which for our example is going to be 8 through 1. So I hit the number sign, I enter the existing 8-digit code, number sign again, I hit the command 000 number sign, I enter my new 8-digit code, which again for our example is going to be 8 through 1. I hit the number sign. I have to enter that code a second time for verification purposes. Number sign once, number sign twice. And what I've done is I've now changed the master code to 876543321. So that code works. If I was to go back and try the original code, you'll see that code does not operate, and that's what we want to have happen. Now the second step is to add a simple 4-digit pin. Again, relatively simple. Now we have to use the new 8-digit master code to perform this procedure. So step one, so we hit the number sign. We're going to enter our new 8-digit code of 8 through 1. Pound 102 is a command to say I want to add a service user. This user is going to be user 001 because the lock can have multiple users. And my pin for this example is going to be 1212 pound 1212 pound 99 pound and pound again. And now we can verify that 1212 is a valid code, and other 4-digit codes will not operate the lock. So you can use any 4-digit number you want. You do have to repeat it to confirm that code. And one thing you'll notice is at the very end when I entered 99, the reason for that is this lock does have an option to set up service codes. The lock can have multiple codes, and some codes can expire after a certain amount of hours. Because we want this code to be permanent, the 99 at the end of the sequence basically designates that code to be permanent.